Burrito, I tell you what, if he got that rack all there by himself, gonna be some good eats around the family right there. Happy number 5, Mr. Cooper.
All right, in Chanute, turning 10 years old this year, it's time to celebrate for Matthew Clouch. Happy birthday.
And that's, look at warmer times ahead. I like that picture, Matthew. Kiana Moore, she is celebrating the big 2-0. Kiana, a very happy birthday to you in St. Paul.
Randy Stitt.
I knew somebody would turn up.
Randy is 32 years old. His birthday was actually yesterday. Because, you know, he's one of those leap day birthdays back in 1988. All right. Randy is celebrating in Iowa.
Happy birthday, Randy. Thank you for letting us celebrate with you. I think that's great. Heather Winter, she is turning 32 as well. Miss Heather, a happy birthday to you. She's also in St. We have a couple parties in St. Paul.
And let's see, we've got Jennifer Heimer is 36 years old this year, celebrating in Fort Scott.
Kayla Campbell, a happy 37th to you. Wonderful picture there as Kayla celebrates in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Dr. Iftikhar Ali celebrating birthday number 51 this year. Special happy birthday wishes coming from your coworkers at Ali Internal Medicine in Joplin. Monique
Valdez celebrating her 26th birthday right next to Dr. Ali. I wonder when they got that picture, the two, if they knew that it was going to be sent in. Monique, a very happy birthday to you, and please know that this also comes with love from all your coworkers.
There'll be a party at Ali Internal Medicine today. Sure. And Carl Thornton celebrating birthday number 67 in Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday, Carl.
I told you St. Paul's the place to be, didn't I? Debbie Schoenhofer, she's celebrating her 71st birthday right there. Miss Debbie, wonderful picture of you and the fam, and a very happy birthday.
All right. In Chetopa, Terry Hildebrand turning 74 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Terry.
All right, in Webb City, Lena Wadena is celebrating a birthday, and Lena, I want you to know that birthday wishes come from 6 kids, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren who say they loved you so much. And what a gorgeous picture. Lena is turning 85 in Webb City.
Eunice Shrimplin turning 87 years old this year in Chanute. Happy birthday, Eunice.
Run out to Fort Scott, and that's where we find Jennifer Tate celebrating a birthday. Speaking of wonderful warm weather, what a gorgeous picture right there. Happy birthday, Jennifer.
All right, and Glenn and Brandy Green are celebrating their 2nd anniversary. Well, kind of. They were married on Leap Day 2020. So they'll get to celebrate their first again.
I wondered yesterday,
yeah,
when we started the leap year birthdays, if we did a leap year anniversary. Congratulations, Glenn and Brandy. That's great. And Martin and Cindy White in Scammon. They're celebrating their 26th anniversary. Look at the decorations that they put together right there for the holidays. My goodness, a wonderful picture. And that's a beautiful, beautiful household as well. Congratulations, Martin and Cindy. And they're in Scammon.
All right, and also on our birthday list, Chris Palmer turning 56 years old in Crestline. Rayanne McNara is celebrating birthday number 86 in Arma. And guess what? We got another leap year baby.
Yeah, and guess what? How many consecutive years is this that our good friend Francis Pyle has just denied us with a picture?
Oh, you only get a picture on leap year. No, I don't know.
I've been here. I've been back like through 2 leap years already, and Francis has not done it. Francis, you know we love you. I shall track you down. And I forgot that she was a leap year baby. Francis, a very happy birthday to you. We love Francis. And then Stephen Bacon, I forgot about this. Yeah, Stephen Bacon has a birthday right behind Francis. That's Francis's brother. And happy birthday to Stephen in Pittsburgh. Scott Franklin, he is celebrating number 42. And in Carl Junction, a happy anniversary. Dennis and Sue Eckhart are celebrating today.
In person, Zella Gamblian turning 48 years old this year.
Now tell me where to party at.
Yeah. Let's go down to Miami. Welcome to Miami. Edna Hardy turning 51. Yeah, you heard it. But I said it. Edna Hart is 51, Randy Ash is 67, and Jane Miller also celebrating a birthday because the party is in Miami.
Okay, you make me want to replace Bienvenido a Miami with Feliz Cumpleaños a Miami with that. That was well played by you. That was awesome. And Rachel Johnson has a birthday just not too far from Miami. After we hit up the Miami and get our fill of birthday cake there, we'll just run out to Welch and wish Rach a very happy birthday as well. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating on the 1st of March, or whether we're catching up from the day that doesn't exist this year and you're a leap year baby or a leap year married couple. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also use our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up here in just a bit when we transition